Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson from TootieLicious.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a cold oven pound cake. The difference between a cold oven pound cake and a regular pound cake is you don't preheat the oven. You put the cake in the oven and you turn the oven on to 350 like normal, but it kind of changes the texture of the cake just a little bit because the cake actually heats with the oven. So let's get started. The ingredients we'll be using are 3 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 6 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of salt. Then we have half a cup of sour cream or softened cream cheese. You can also use applesauce. Unsweetened is what I prefer. And if you decide to use this option, just use a half a cup in the mixture. First, we'll cream the butter and sugar. Next, we'll add in the eggs one at a time. And we'll continue to beat that mixture until all the eggs are added. Once all the eggs are added in, slowly add in the flour, about a half a cup at a time. Then you add in the sour cream, the applesauce, the baking soda, the vanilla extract, and the salt while beating the mixture on a low speed. So now we're ready to bake our cake. So we're going to bake the cake for about an hour and 10 to 15 minutes or until you can stick a toothpick inside the center. And if it comes out clean, then that means your cake is done. So there you go. That's how you make a cold oven pound cake.